You and your partner wake up together, full of energy. No bloating, no fatigue, no stress about weight or health. You cook breakfast together, laugh over coffee, and feel confident in your bodies and your relationship. But here's the truth. Most young couples today are struggling with weight gain, low energy, poor eating habits, and even relationship stress caused by unhealthy lifestyles. So today, we're going to change that. In this video, you'll discover the best diet plan for young couples, foods that boost energy, mood, and attraction, mistakes couples make that ruin their health, and a simple routine you can start today. Let's get started. Part 1. Why couples should diet together. Here's something powerful most people don't realize. Couples who eat healthy together stay together longer, feel happier, and are more physically attracted to each other. Why? Because food affects your hormones, your mood, and your energy levels. When both partners eat junk food, energy drops, mood swings increase, and weight gain starts. But when both eat clean, you motivate each other, build discipline together, and create a stronger emotional bond. Think of it like this. A healthy diet is not just about your body, it's about your relationship. Part 2. Common diet mistakes young couples make. Let's talk about the biggest mistakes. Number 1. Eating out too often. Fast food, takeout, late-night cravings. It's easy, convenient, and dangerous. These foods are high in calories, sugar, bad fats, and over time they lead to weight gain, low stamina, and health problems. Number 2. Emotional eating together. Bad day? Let's order pizza. Feeling bored? Let's grab snacks. This creates a habit where food becomes comfort instead of fuel. Number 3. Skipping meals. Many couples skip breakfast or eat irregularly. This leads to slow metabolism, overeating later, and energy crashes. Number 4. No planning. Most couples don't plan meals. Result? They eat whatever is available, usually unhealthy.
Part 3. Ideal diet plan for young couples, 8 a.m. to 1400 a.m. Now let's fix everything. Here's a simple, powerful daily diet plan for couples. Morning routine, breakfast. Start your day with eggs, protein for muscle and energy, whole grain toast, fresh fruits, berries, banana, apple, green tea, or black coffee. Why this works? Boosts metabolism, keeps you full longer, improves focus. Mid-morning snack. Greek yogurt, handful of nuts, almonds, walnuts. Helps maintain energy levels and prevents cravings. Lunch, balanced meal. Grilled chicken/fish/tofu, brown rice or quinoa. Vegetables, broccoli, spinach, carrots. Perfect balance of protein, fiber, healthy carbs. Evening snack. Instead of chips, try smoothies, fruits, protein bars. Dinner, light and healthy. Salad with lean protein, soup, steamed vegetables. Keep dinner light to improve digestion, sleep better, avoid fat storage.
Yes, certain foods actually improve your relationship. Dark chocolate boosts mood, reduces stress, increases happiness hormones. Avocados, healthy fats, improve skin and energy. Berries, rich in antioxidants, improve blood flow. Nuts, boost stamina, support heart health. Fatty fish, omega-3 improves brain function, helps emotional connection. Fitness plus diet equals perfect combination. Diet alone is not enough. Let's keep it simple. Follow these 5 golden rules. Eat together whenever possible. Avoid junk food at home. Drink plenty of water. Plan meals weekly. Support each other. Remember, this is not about perfection. It's about consistency. Your health, your relationship, your future all depend on the choices you make today. Start small. Cook one healthy meal together. Take one walk together. Make one better decision, and watch your life transform. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe for more health tips, because a healthy couple is a happy couple.